Hi friends, today we are going to create a coffee table. Make use of ruler which has a shortcut T. Right click and select measurements. Make use of measurements. You will see the measurement will specify at the bottom right tab. Go to Windows, Model Info and Unit tabs. I am using centimeter. As you know that right click scrolls select partial object while left scroll selects whole object. I am just creating a rectangle of size 80 cm into 60 cm. Press pull that face into 5 cm. I am just creating a ruler offset of distance of 1 centimeter, as you can see here. Next, make use of arc tool, which we want to create an arc. Create it in all 4 points. Press pull the face for its edge smoothness. Now select the whole object and click smooth. It will smooth out all of the visible segments in that object. Now make it as a group. Clicking Ctrl while moving the object creates a copy of that object. I am moving that object in Z direction at a particular distance of 40 cm. Now let's move it in X direction of 15 cm. As you know that double clicking enters into edit mode of that object. I am just creating a ruler offset of 10 cm from the endpoints of that object. Just select that offset of 10 cm. Now roughly create a rectangle in that ruler snaps. Make it as a group. Let's pull that object. Now we want to make use of its solid tools. First select the object and copy it by Ctrl C. Make use of solid tools by selecting subtract to subtract the object. Subtract is a solid tool which subtracts the objects which comes in its body. Create a rectangle, make this a group and press pull to 1 cm. Now Control to copy that object to another endpoint. Press pull the top face and bottom face to midpoint of that object. Now we are going to decrease the height by 5 centimeters. As we are making coffee table of 40 centimeter height. Go to the edit mode of that object, select the segment and hold down Ctrl and copy and snap it, and make use of press pull tool to press pull that face of that object. Make use of ruler and create a rectangle and press pull it to create a group. Make it as a group and move it in bottom by pressing Ctrl as a copy. Now just make use of a brush command which paints the object. The shortcut for the brush command is B. We are going to use a hood texture. Select the hood texture and click on that object to paint it. We are going to decrease the color tone of that object, as we can see here in the viewport. Now again, make use of brush tool and select the glass and paint it in respective object. Now select the whole object and make it as a single group and move it in. That's it, our coffee table is made. Now save the project. I am saving it as a coffee table which has an extension of .skp.